C3Pay balance deduction is one of the biggest concern for us for the people who are living in UAE and getting their salary in the application C3Pay. Many ways C3Pay is deducting our money. Valid reason, but we are not understanding. There are some terms we are not understanding, and one of those is wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee. Many of us, we can see that there is wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee that is happening and which is deducting 3.5 AED from our C3Pay app. We are not understanding why. So friends, in this video, I'll be trying to tell you why C3Pay is deducting 3.5 AED as wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee. Watch the video till end. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, if you are also receiving your salary in your C3Pay card, this video is going to be very important for you. Watch the video till end, okay? So what happened? Recently, one of my friends shared me one screenshot. This screenshot shows like this. This is a screenshot of C3Pay. As you can see, it says wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee 3.5 27th of February. So he has been charged 3.5 AED, which has been deducted from his C3Pay, and he is not aware why is this happening. Why is this balance deducted? Okay, it says wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction. He's asking me, he did not load any wallet, or he is not understanding what is Quasi-Cash. So friends, in this video, we'll try to understand what is this wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction and why C3Pay is charging 3.5 AED, okay? So let me tell you one thing. Previously, I made one detailed video on C3Pay balance deduction. And the title was Wallet Load Quasi-Cash Transaction Fee 3.5 AED. In this video, I have explained why C3Pay is deducting 3.5 AED as Wallet Load Quasi-Cash Transaction Fee. And in the same video, I have received lot of comments stating that they are still not understanding why C3Pay is again and again deducting 3.5 AED as Wallet Load and Quasi-Cash Transaction Fee. So friends, in this video, which I am doing it now, I will try to make you understand why C3Pay is deducting 3.5 AED. So this is my C3Pay, and if I open the transaction, okay, if I go a little bit previous transaction, you can see here C3Pay has deducted on 18th of December, 17th of December, and again 17th of December, 3 times 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, and the transaction is for wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee. Wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee. So this doesn't mean that you have sent this 3.5 AED to someone or you have purchased something that costs 3.5 AED. What does this actually mean? This means, to make this understand more properly, I want to show you one email which was sent by C3Pay in the month of August 2025. Okay. The mail says updated fees for wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee, which is going to be effective from 18th of October 2025, and this mail I received on 7th of August 2025. So according to the new update of C3Pay, it says, dear people, we have made changes to our terms and conditions to improve how external transactions are handled. And in this new update, what is changing? Starting Saturday 18th of October 2025, a flat fee of AED 3.5 will be applied to wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee made outside C3Pay app for the categories mentioned below. First is sending money home through apps or website other than C3Pay. The second is loading up third-party wallets, and third is other Quasi-Cash transaction. What does this mean? This means, my friends, if you use C3Pay app to send money home, then C3Pay is not going to charge you any money. But if you use any third-party application such as TapTap Send, Remitly, Botim, Aspora, or any other application, if you use that application and the balance is getting deducted from your C3Pay salary, then C3Pay says that if you do such things, C3Pay will charge you 3.5 AED for each transaction. And here, as I showed you, there are 3 transactions, right? Yes. 18th of December, 17th of December, 17th of December. If you check here, I have used this Aspora Vans level 9, 400 dirham to send money home. And again, I have used TapTap Send, 295 dirham to send money home. And again, TapTap Send, I have used 25 dirham to send money home. So each time I have sent money home using this third party application, TapTap Send, Remitly, Aspora or Botim, C3Pay is charging me 3.5 AED for each transaction. That means if you send money home twice a month and you are using TapTap Send, just for example, C3Pay will charge you 3.5 AED for each transaction. For 2 transactions, C3Pay will charge you 7 dirham. And what more this mail is saying? It says if you load any wallet such as Botim wallet, such as if you load any Cashna wallet or any other wallet, in that case also C3Pay will charge you 3.5 AED. And other Quasi-Cash transactions, if you make on any online transaction that gives access to C3Pay and you are not directly using your C3Pay app, in that case also C3Pay will charge you 3.5 AED for each and every transaction. So this is very important, my friends. You need to understand this. Anytime you use your C3Pay and send money home, but you are using third-party application, at that time C3Pay will charge you 3.5 AED. So there is one more important thing that you need to understand, my friends. It says this fee does not apply when you send money through the C3Pay app. Let's say you are using your C3Pay app to send money home. You see, we have got option to send money. If we select this and send money home using C3Pay app, at this time C3Pay don't deduct any money. Okay, there is one more important thing that was mentioned here in this mail. It says what to expect. A fixed fee, 3.5 fee for wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction, and this fee does not apply for C3Pay app. What stays the same? No impact on purchases, ATM withdrawals or in-app transaction transfers. Your experience, features and security that will remain unchanged. So these are the basic things that the mail stated on August 7, 2025, which was effective from 18th of October 2025. So since 18th of October 2025, any person using C3Pay or receiving salary in C3Pay but sending this salary to home using third-party application, each transaction you make, you need to provide 3.5 AED as wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee to C3Pay. So regarding this WhatsApp that my friend has sent, it is the same thing that he has been charged 3.5 AED because he used TapTap Send to send money home. I hope you understand what does wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee mean, and from now onwards you will be very precise on how much time you are sending money home, because if you send money home, each time C3Pay will charge you 3.5 AED as wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee. And there is only one exception, that if you use your C3Pay app to send money home. If you use your C3Pay app to send money home, you will not be charged any wallet load Quasi-Cash transaction fee. If you have any more questions regarding why the balance is getting deducted from your C3Pay app, do write in the comment section. I will try my best to reply that. I hope you liked the video. Do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.